Hello everyone, this is Himanshu Rathod from Department of Mechanical Engineering from Arya College of Engineering IT. Today we are going to discuss our topic management of new product development and launch from subject product development and launching. In lecture 3rd we are going to cover topic project execution and introduction. Project execution, sometimes called project control, involves coordinating and facilitating the myriad tasks required to complete the project in the face of inevitable unanticipated events and the arrival of new information. Execution is just as important in planning. Many teams fail because they do not remain focused on their goals. For the duration of project, smooth execution of even a well-planned project requires careful attention. Three problems of project execution are particularly important. First, what mechanism can we use to coordinate tasks? Second, how can project status be assessed? Third, what actions can the team take to correct for undesirable deviation from the project plan? Now, type of project executions: coordination mechanism, informal communication, meeting, schedule display, weekly update, incentives, process documents. Now, assessing project status. C. Corrective action. In corrective action, changing the timing or frequency of meeting, changing the project staff, locating the team together physically, soliciting more time and effort from the team. Post-mortem project evaluation. An evaluation of the project performed after it has been completed is useful for both personal and organizational improvement. This review is often called a post-mortem project evaluation. The post-mortem evaluation is usually an open-ended discussion of the strengths and weaknesses of the project plan and execution. This discussion is sometimes facilitated by an outside consultant or by someone within the company who was not involved in the project. Several questions help to guide the discussion. Now, product launch. It has to be recognized that the development and launch of almost any new product or service carries a considerable element risk. Indeed, in view of the ongoing domination of existing brands, it must be cautioned whether the risk involved in most major launches is justifiable. New existing brands, it must be product development, therefore has to be something of in numbers game. A large number of ideas have to be created and developed for even one to merge a successful. There is safety in numbers, which once more confirms an advantage to the large organization. Type product launch, product replacement, risk versus time. Acid test before any product launch. Important, unique, sustainably marketable. The hidden factor behind marketing success of any new product. Now, key marketing preparation before any product launch. Identify a customer need. Clear segment formation by effective market research. Choose a proper positioning platform. Effective promotion and advertising. Ensuring product quality. Effective sales and distribution. Correct pricing strategy. Differentiation of new offering. Leveraging existing strengths. Thank you. That's all for lecture now 3rd.